Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to improve your mobile network signal strength and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the steps for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So, for that, we can start by going ahead and turning on our airplane mode. So, you can hold up the airplane mode from your quick settings panel and you can just go over and turn it on. And once you turn it on, you can wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again to force your phone to reconnect to the network. That should probably fix the network signal strength. Also, sometimes just a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. So hold your power button for that and look out for the restart option and confirm it up. And you can just go over and follow the process. Also, ensure that your phone's operating system and carrier settings are up to date. So go to settings for that. And within your settings, you may just scroll down and look out for the software update and tap on it, and then update your device's software up or the operating system to the latest version available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and use Wi-Fi calling. So if you have a strong Wi-Fi but a very weak cellular one, you can just go over and enable your Wi-Fi in your settings and just turn on the weak cellular one, and that should also fix the issue. Apart from that, you can reset your network settings. So go to settings for that, and within your settings, go to the top and search for reset. And once you search for reset, just go over and look out for the reset network settings and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can confirm it up. You can reset your network settings and confirm it up. That should help you with persistent issues, but will also erase the saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. You need to just go over and connect with them manually once again. If you consistently have poor signal in your most visited locations, you need to switch to a carrier with better coverage. There may be the best long-term solutions, or you can head over to a location, go to a higher floor near a window or outside to get the past obstructions. That should probably help you out. Or you can also check your SIM card if none of those works. And those are probably the solutions you can follow up if you'd like to fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.